Okay, we're going to make some glass flowers. I'm using Bella Donna Aqua Splash, which I'm just currently melting. I'm going to melt the glass and form like a disc. Depending on what size you want. And I've got some stainless steel mashers. So I'm just heating my glass to get rid of the ridges and the marks. And then I'm going to use the mashers to level it off to get my disc shape. Now I've got some glass shears. These form the petals. I'm going to cut the glass into segments. So heat it up, especially around the edge. Cut. I'm cutting into 3 sections. Heating it up all the time. Just use my mashers to level it off again. Then I'm going to heat each section and cut it in half again. Now I've got 6 petals. Let's do one again. And we're going to heat each section now to round off the corners and to form a better shape. I'm going to use petal tweezers. So heat each petal, squish it with the petal tweezer, and move on to the next one. Like that. And I'm just going to heat it gently up again, trying to get rid of all the marks and ridges. Don't forget the back as well as the front. And I'm just going to use my shears again. Like so. Then again using your petal tweezers, just squish them again, and you can alter the shape and make them what you want. I'm just pulling mine out slightly. Let's get back. Like so. Because it's Bella Donna, I'm going to reduce it. Reduce my flame. And just flash it in to give it its silvery effect. Back on the front.